Good morning to all. I am Jyoti Jain from BCA Batch 1 PPU 3rd year. Today we are going to discuss a topic from Java programming, which is multiple class in a single program. In this presentation, we will see a single class program and its constructor, and we will also see multiple class in a single program. After that, we will see the rules and regulation for the creating multiple class, and after that we will see the presentation of that particular rules. So first I start with the a single class in a program. As you can see, here is an example of single class in a program, where you can see I have created a class with the name computer, and I have created a constructor, and in constructor it is said that constructor should be named with the class name. And here is the two constructor which has the argument integer and a string. So here I am calling the constructor, and while we make object of the class, the constructor calls itself. So we don't have to write any system out.println for printing the output. And while making single class program, we have to save the program with the class name. Now let's discuss multiple class in a single program with example. As you can see, there is multiple class. One class is class computer and the second class is class laptop, in which I have saved the file with the second class name laptop. We can save the program with any class name. It will be compiled successfully with no error. But while executing the code, you have to use the class name which has main method in it. If you don't use the main method class name, then it will show error that main method is not present in that particular class. So let's begin with the rules and regulation to use multiple class in a single program. As you seen in the previous slide, the first is the file within multiple class can be saved with any class name. But while executing the bytecode, the class name which has main method in it, it will be used for its execution. The second rule is that if you use multiple class in a single program, then only one class can be declared public. And the third rule is public class can be used by any packages. And the last rule is if any class is declared public, if any class name is declared with public, then that file should be saved with the class name of that public which is declared public. So let's begin with the practical presentation of these rules. Let's begin with the practical presentation of a single class in a program. So this program, as you seen in the presentation, so I am going to execute. As you see that I have created the two object for two constructor. Then I am going to call the program. So in this first constructor will be called, and the first output will be computer class constructor, and after in second line it will print two parameter computer class constructor, and in last line it will print this is our display method. Then let's see. So for compiling a package program, we have to use different command, which is java c -t or as you can see that it is successfully compiled. Let's see the output. As you can see the output, which I have described it is the same. In this you can see that it has multiple class. One class is computer and the second class is laptop, and I have saved this file with the second class name, which is laptop, but it doesn't contain any main method. So it will be compiled successfully, but while we will execute this program with the class name laptop, it will show the error that it doesn't have main method. As you can see, it has been compiled successfully. First we will try with the class name laptop that it is running or not, and it will show error. As I have told you that this program will say error because the laptop class doesn't have main method in it. The computer class has the main method. So I will now run this program with computer class name. It will be executed successfully. As you can see, the output is first class with main method, which has main method in it, and the second class in the same program. Now we are going to see the third rule, which says that the file should be saved with the name which has declared public. So as you can see, I have declared desktop 1 with public, but I have saved this file name with the class name print1, which is not declared public. So it will show error that it has print1 is not public. But in last rule, it didn't face any problem because no class was declared public in that program. As you can see, it's shown that the class desktop 1 is declared public. That's why it is not being compiled with the different class name. So I have to save this file with the name desktop 1 because it is public. So I've already saved the file with the same code with the different name, which is desktop 1. So I'm going to compile it. As you can see, it didn't show any problem because I have saved the file with the name which is declared public. So I am going to run it. As you can see the output that how I created the constructor, and thank you by my side.